Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Sister Grace from the Dead West set. She was black and white Zenithal primed to get started with Death Reaper over all of her clothing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. For her belt and shoes, I went for Wasteland brown, and since it's not too much, I also added all of the wooden parts in with this colour. Next up, I used warm grey to get the base layer of the white parts of her habit. All of her exposed skin, I went for a base coat of Dwarven skin. As always, the base gets a once over with Plague brown. Getting started with the highlights, I used Dragon Fang over all of the leather and wooden parts, just added a bit of variation. To highlight up the white parts, I used silver grey. Bringing up her skin, I went for Elven skin, for all of those raised parts of her face and arms. In the artwork, the black has a bit of a blue tint to it, and with that in mind, I used night blue to bring up all of the tops of the folds and the flat areas. For the metal parts, I used gun metal. Now for the wash, I went for an all over wash of light tone. I had to come back in though and make sure I didn't pull too much on the white, as it would just look too weird if it was left. Finishing up, I add some Sandy Desert to the base. And that will be it for Sister Grace. Another nice easy mini from this set and below my 30-minute mark. I'm thinking I'm probably going to hit that with quite a lot of the minis in this set if they're all this simple. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, you can get a closer look at this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.